If you've had your gallbladder taken out, listen up for some strengthening. We're going to get rid of all the negative energy left over from your time in the hospital. Energy waste, long energetics, entities of any size and formlessness. From above, from below, from the right, from the left, from within, from without, from behind, and from in front of you. And we send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places. We're going to separate your mind from your body. We're going to separate your spirit from your body. And we send your mind and spiritual experiences to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places. We are going to remove all the accumulated effect of your mind on your gallbladder from surgery and recovery. We take it from your quantum particles, atoms, molecules, and cells. And we again send the mind with all its resistance to leaving you to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, spaces, dark matter and energy, black and wormholes of the universe and other unexplored realms. We're going to bolster your central nervous system. We enhance your spinal cord, sacrum, tailbone, and tail. We contract and relax your entire midline 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with finite time. We remove the weakening impact of surgical trauma, remove the debility in your body from having been opened, manipulated, exposed. We're going to erase all the trauma your body has endured from it down to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to infuse the gallbladder region with energy of neutrality, energy of unconditional love, and energy of unconditional acceptance. We fill that area from top to bottom, from right to left, from inside out, from back to front, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to integrate the energy vesicle into your body and your body into the energy vesicle. We're going to connect the energy vesicle to the central nervous system and the midline back and forth. We do this connection and integration from top to bottom, from bottom to top, from right to left, from left to right, from inside out, from outside in, from back to front, and from front to back, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to connect the liver to the pancreas and the pancreas to the liver. We reconnect the gallbladder to the digestive system and the digestive system to the gallbladder. We're going to rebalance the gallbladder with all its energetic connections. We make these connections both ways, equally from top to bottom, from bottom to top, from right to left, from inside out, from outside in, back and forth, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to balance and center the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder connection in all of its possible combinations. We separated all of the weaknesses of the liver from the gallbladder when physically present, from the pancreas, duodenum, stomach, and esophagus. And we deleted them at 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to level the gallbladder with the liver, pancreas, duodenum, stomach, and esophagus in all their possible combinations that are centered, balanced, and stable. We're going to strengthen the physical potential of the digestive system. We strengthen strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, and flexibility at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to erase all the weaknesses at 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to erase memories of medical negligence, the ones you did, the ones you received, the ones you saw and listened to, and the ones you ordered. Let's also erase the cumulative effect of seeing and hearing people who have negative experiences. After losing the gallbladder to 0 less infinity for 100% of the time with infinite time, we are going to separate the weaknesses of the mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, liver, appendix, anus, rectum, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, and stomach, and we erase them to 0 less infinity for 100% of the time. With infinite time, we reintegrate the gallbladder into this system in the proper order to continue functioning energetically. We are going to reintegrate it and all these components into the gallbladder from top to bottom, from bottom to top, from right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in back, and back and forth at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase memories of bad treatments, bad medications, and bad diagnoses that you made, those you received, those you saw and heard, and those you ordered. We strengthen the digestive system for the digestion of fats as food passes through the small intestine. We strengthen the concentration and storage of bile that the liver produces for it to continue functioning well. We erase the lingering effect of the gallbladder being removed, diarrhea, indigestion, intolerance to fatty foods. We remove the refusal and resistance to making lifestyle changes. We're going to strengthen the common bile duct, the duct through which bile is carried to the small intestine. We strengthen this relationship and this bond 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time. And with infinite time, we erase the lingering effect of physical pain before surgery. We'll erase physical pain during and after the surgery, erasing it fully, completely, and permanently at negative infinity and 100% of the time. With infinite time, we're going to strengthen the central nervous system for it to function correctly. We'll strengthen its internal dynamics, external dynamics, internal limits, external limits, and vertices of the energetic gallbladder, of the digestive system, and yours on a general level. We are going to strengthen it to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We are going to erase everything that impedes, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks the correct functioning of this system. We erase all weaknesses to 0, minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. I strengthen you to restart your body, mind, and spirit. Strong to recalibrate your thinking, perception, consciousness, and strong to reprogram your life purpose. How do you feel? The same or different?